So we're on. We're doing video. Hi,
Hi,
Susan.
Beth. Dave.
Susan Terry. Beth, we're here for you. We wanted to talk to you. We wanted to congratulate you. We heard that you did such an amazing job at the competition in Chicago at the Good Taste Series.
Todd told me all about it. He said you came in second place, which was just awesome. I think you should have gotten first place, but I wasn't a judge, so I'm sorry.
Oh, I wasn't there either. But we have some really exciting news that we wanted to share with you.
So because of your stellar performance in McCormick, we wanted to personally invite you to Mexico to participate in the finals for the Good Taste Series and represent the Hyatt Regency Cleveland.
Mexico, Los Cabos in October. It's
Party
so exciting. Party on, dude. Beth, honestly, we're so proud of you. You represent so much that's right with our company. Your competitive spirit, your commitment to culinary, to quality. We are so excited for you. I can't wait to see you in Mexico. Congratulations
Cleveland
to you there.
rocks.
Cleveland rocks. Bye.